Dumelang sanibonani absheni igama lami nguSlim. Sibuyile futhi we back again. Ngine legend yami. I call him my legend. Yes. Yeah, we back again. This is Podcast with Slim. Please Bafethu, thank you for watching and supporting the previous episode. Yeah. Me and Mr. Brian, as we promised, that we'll come back with so that we can close the loop. Yeah, so now it's that time to close the loop. We wanna see and we wanna know what happened. We Comrades, and then did he finish? Did he not finish? I'm sure Mr. Brian will tell us more. Yeah, I'd like you guys, you know, he's not a stranger. He's now part of the family of Podcast with Slim. Star Brian. How's it, Star Brian?
Sure. Thank you, Sbu. Thank you for welcoming back again, my brother.
Yeah.
I feel at home. Thank you so much for welcoming me.
Thank you very much, man, for supporting me.
Eita.
From the attire, I can see it's different from that the previous one. I see red, yellow, gold, and a medal.
Yes. This is a symbol of showing that I've participated in the Ultra Marathon, Comrades 2023, the down run from Pietermaritzburg to Durban.
Yes. So I hear you saying a down run. Was it really down?
Yo, Baba. Honestly speaking, because it was my first time running a Comrade Marathon, I was under the impression that it's gonna be like going down all the way because they call it's a down run.
Yeah.
No, there's no such, Baba. They mustn't lie to you. There's no such, Baba. There's also hills in between. There is hills in between.
So, starting point. When did you leave? Pretoria. Like, was the Comrade was on Sunday, right?
Yeah, it was on a Sunday.
So we
left here on Friday morning around 4 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
And then we arrived in Durban around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Then we went to the expo.
Yeah.
Whereby everything was there, the Comrades, anything that you need to know about the Comrades was there at the expo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where we collected also our pack containing our running numbers, everything that was in the pack. That will guide you according what is needed to participate on the marathon. Yeah.
But again, what I want to know is that did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did enjoy it, Baba. Yeah. What makes me more to enjoy it is because of I was like ready for it. I won't say I didn't enjoy it because if you didn't enjoy it, then which means you are not ready to run a Comrade.
That's true.
But because of I've trained very well during the course. Hence, I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it, yeah.
Yeah, but when that moment comes, I think, what time do you start to get to the
starting point?
The starting point,
at 5:30. But we left Durban around 3 a.m. in the morning.
So you booked in Durban and then you drive back to
Pietermaritzburg, to the starting point.
Okay.
Yeah, so,
And then what was the anxiety there?
I didn't sleep that night. I remember the TV was on, the television was on. Then because of I couldn't sleep, being nervous, what will happen, what is going to happen the following day. I remember the screen was on. I think there was a movie. Then I saw there was a time. It says 2:30.
Yeah.
And then the guy that I was sleeping with, my brother-in-law, I said to him, "Hey, Baba Vuga, man, it's now 2:30. Let's prepare. We are only left with 30 minutes to go because we need to be at the starting point by 5:30.
Exactly.
And only to find the next movie, it's starting at 2:30. And then the time by then, it was 1:30. So now, hey, son, I wake up an hour earlier. Yeah, because of, Baba, knowing what you Kichimi Comrade.
87 kilometers.
87.7, yes.
Kilometers. And then, when I woke up on Sunday, I was like, okay, I want to see this one. I used to watch Comrade marathons, bits and bits, and maybe the highlights. But then this year, I was glued on TV and my mobile phone screen. I was like, I want to see what's happening. Where is Brian? You understand?
My brother, honestly speaking, I really want to thank you, especially the staff of CPA.
Yeah.
The link that I've sent them, I was so amazed. Everybody was telling me that, you know what, we were following you. I said, yo, they say the same thing that you are telling me now, Uguti. They don't normally watch Comrades from start to finish.
Yeah.
But this time, because they want to see me,
Exactly.
Uguti, whether will I make it or not. But I'm very grateful for the support that I had here, Lane office in here too.
Yeah, I know. No,
Even the public outside, my friends, they were also following me. Yeah, no, I really want to thank them as well. Yeah.
Yeah, and then from Pietermaritzburg, what was the next stop? Do you still remember the next cutoff time?
Eish. Yeah, I think there was 6 cutoffs.
Yeah.
But to say which one was where,
Yeah,
because of being the nervous,
yeah,
I normally ask the
Ask
people that
what's
I was
happening.
running with
Okay.
to ask them, Uguti, but where is the next cutoff? When is the next cutoff? And Ingati people were getting annoyed by these new, they call us novice. Yeah, if you are a first runner, you've been called a novice.
So you wanna tell me that there's this discrimination that is happening when you are a new runner, people get irritated and all that.
I don't think so. There's peace, there's friends. People are friendly there. It's only one or two where maybe they will get annoyed to say, hey, this guy is keep on asking me, where is the next cutoff? Where is the next cutoff?
I see.
Because I remember on the 5th cutoff, I didn't know where it is.
Yeah.
There's this other guy I asked Uguti, okay, we are here now, this time. How many cutoffs do we still have to go through? He said, you see, my brother, you need not to panic. You can even walk from here to the stadium to the finishing. I said, is it now almost closer to the finish? He says, yeah, I'm talking from experience. Look at my number. When I look at his number, he ran Comrades 15 times, this guy. He says to me, don't panic. This time we are at the right moment, at the right time. You can even walk
if you want
to the finish. Yeah,
and you'll
still make it. Yeah.
When I looked at the time, the first, especially when that thing went off, like, okay, we're starting now.
The start.
The start. The first, I think the first 10, 20 kilometers, I was like, no, Brian is going to make it.
Okay.
We're doing this thing in about
in 2 hours.
8 hours, 7 hours.
Oh, okay.
I saw the pacing. I was like, yo, no, we're running at 7 points.
Yeah, that was my 7.
Yeah, 7, we're running at 7 points. I'm like, we good.
Between 7 and 8.
Yeah, between the first stop. Okay, fine. What's happening? Brian is there. Cut off one time. The first one, the second one, the third one. I'm like, okay, we good. And then I think there was Pinetown, if I'm not mistaken. I think there was Pinetown. I'm not sure, but there was another one where like, Brian, where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you.
That was in Sherwood.
No, not that one. Just before Sherwood.
Just before, it's Pinetown.
Yeah,
it's Pinetown.
I can't see you, Mr. Brian. When's Agalan? Where is Mr. Brian? Is he walking? I mean, your tracker is not now. It's not moving.
Yeah. What happened is these things les op tracker. I heard they were far distance apart. That is why the other one couldn't track the next one. So there in between, I don't know what happened. It's not only me. Most of the people were not tracked. Lapa a Pinetown.
Yeah.
So maybe there was some error. I don't know what's happening. What happened then?
And then the next step, you said you want to do
2 oceans.
2 oceans. Okay.
I'd like to do 2 oceans.
2 oceans.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna do it in 5 hours? Because it's 50.
Yeah, I mean it's 56 Ks. Because I remember I ran Lost Corp. It was also 50 Ks, and I did it in 5 hours 30 something.
Yeah.
So I think 2 oceans I can try it, but I had also it's got the hill. The last 6 kilos, there's also a hill there. But I'm learning. I start to finish.
Yeah.
I start to finish. Yeah.
When the day you said to me, Sbu, I'm going to run Comrade. Obviously, I was scared for you.
Okay.
You know, I know how Durban is. You know, so now the day you were running the Comrade, I was like, yeah, my guy is doing it.
Now it's happening.
It's happening. And then now I want you to take me on the process from how did you prepare yourself on the day? You training and on the day is not the same thing.
Yeah.
So take me on the process on the day. As you said, you were not sleeping, you couldn't sleep. And then what were you thinking while you were running? What were you running out, actually?
You know what motivates me during on the day of the race is because of when you look at the other athletes, you compare yourself with them, but not knowing what you want to train kanjani.
Yeah.
But if you see a 60-year-old man going to participate,
Yeah.
such things, they motivate you to know, man, I can also do it. And then for me to prepare mentally, it's because of during the course of the year, I was running. I was telling myself, Uguti, I was waking up in the morning doing this. Why now at the last moment should I fail? Exactly. And another thing that motivates me, it's because of I gave people the link to track me.
Yeah.
So if I fail, I'll be failing them. So let me not do that. Let me push myself, even if there's pain somewhere, but let me begazela, you understand?
Yeah.
To finish the race and to prove maybe my critics wrong. Uguti, Brian will never make it, but at the end of the day, I did finish the race.
Yeah, bravo.
Yeah.
No, you did finish the race. And then I want now the first 5 minutes, the first 10 minutes of you running. You're like, yo, I haven't even finished 1 kilometer, but I'm still gonna have to run 87.7 kilometers.
Yeah, that thing, it will kill you.
That's exactly what I want to get from you.
That thing, it will make you to be negative.
Yeah.
So you have now on 5, and you still have 82 to go. Hey, and when you look at the time again, you say, oh, I did 5 in maybe 10 minutes or in 30 minutes. I'm running behind. Will I make it or not? Yeah. Then I have to push, and by pushing more, we as Bulala, you need to take your time. Just run your race, keep the pace that you are comfortable with, then you'll finish. But otherwise, if you look at the time and say, I think I'm left with 4 hours to go, and then I'm on 50 Ks, will I make it the other 27?
Yeah.
That thing is going to kill you. It might make you not to finish the race because you'll be trying to run it faster, and by then the energy is not there. So you need just to take it at your own pace. Make sure you get to the cutoff at a certain time, and not cutoff, at the halfway mark at a certain time. Then after halfway mark, then you start enjoying your race. Either you become playful, you run and walk, you run and walk, you run and walk. Mina into Comrade, to be honestly.
Yes.
I was following this thing called IPAS.
IPAS, yes.
There's a pass, 11 hour, 30 minutes.
Yes.
Which means surely in 11, 30 minutes, you'll be at the finishing line.
Oh.
There's also a pass, 12 hour. That one is risky because 12 hours, if you are shining finishing, you've been cut off and your race.
Yes.
So the one that I was running, the pass that I was following, he lay 11, 30 minutes. So I was going now, for maybe hours, for some few hours, until I get injured on my right hand toe. And I have to lose one of my nails. So another thing that pulls me down was I was saying, should I stop? Concentrate on the pain? But no, let me soldier on. Baba, I limped. I soldier on up until to the finishing. That is why when I got to the finishing, the way I was running, it was like I'm limping.
You on television,
it was just the pain there that I felt on my toe there. Yeah.
So basically, you lose everything.
You lose everything
when you run. You get dehydrated. You lose your nails. You need magnesium there. You lose a lot of salt.
Exactly. But along the way, the spectators, they normally give us such, the water points. You get the energy drinks, electrolytes. You get the whatever, there's food. Yeah.
There's almost everything.
There's almost everything. And the people are also cheering us. From start to finish, I was amazed. You know? Hands up. Comrades Marathon. You know what, the spectators there, yo, Baba. From start to finish, I'm telling you, start to finish.
That's why they say Durban rocks.
Yeah, otherwise you won't get bored. you'll keep on running because there's people cheering you up, pushing you. You know, you feel like, yeah, you know what, today I'm someone, you know, these people are, I'm a spectator, they're looking at me running, yeah, you feel like you are a hero, Baba.
No, definitely you are a hero. So you want to tell me that you just mentioned that you feel like you are someone. So running gave you that thing of like, you know what, now gives you the confidence.
Yeah, which means the doubt that I have in me, I think now is fading away.
Yeah.
Yeah, the doubt that I have is now fading away. I feel like now I can run any race, anywhere, anytime.
So what does it do to you personally? If we go personally into your life, what does it do? Because everything we do, you know me. All right, I DJ, I play music, I play instruments. So in each and every time when I feel like, okay, today I don't feel like it, I'll go maybe DJ or play instrument, you know? Just play instrument just to hoosa myself and keep on encouraging myself and self-motivate myself also, you know? So now what I want to know from you, what does exactly the running do to you, as you say, when you run there and someone is spectating and is cheering on you? What does it exactly uplift a life in yako, like personally?
I don't know that much what it does to me, but honestly, since I start running, lento yokuthi bathi you've got ukugula, you feel sick.
Yeah.
It's something that happened way before. Since I started running, I'm healthy, you know. I do anything anytime. You know, that laziness that was there in me, it's now gone. But it will make you to be obese.
Yeah.
You'll eat because you need more energy, you need more strength.
Exactly.
So the appetite is also, you need to control it.
Yes.
But otherwise, uzodla baba.
Running makes you eat.
Uzodla baba. Nginenye appetite ethusako in a way yokuthi when I'm with you now, so I won't show it. But when I'm alone around the corner, I can eat a loaf of bread alone. No, it will make you to chow, yo. That's what I've noticed. But other than that, you'll be healthy. You'll do anything. You'll never even ask someone to go and pick up something for you. You'll do it. You become more energetic, you know. Yeah. And then another thing, it makes me to be brave now. Things that I was scared to do, I can now do them. Like I was like, for example, say there's an interview whereby I'll be like nervous to say, ish, must I go, must I not? This time, I will go to interview. I'll do interview. I can stand in front of people now talking because I was a shy person.
Exactly.
I couldn't stand in front of people and
like talk to people as they're watching us now.
Yeah.
Exactly. I remember that you were not that kind of a guy. You were always that guy who was in his corner, minding his own business. Yeah. Never interact that much, but now you're out there, you talk to people. So yeah, man, big ups to you, man.
No, thank you so much. We without you guys, you really motivated me in the mornings when we are here 6 a.m.
Yeah.
You know, I know you guys, you played a big role.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. And I want people to get something that they can take home from this show, and something that they can carry along their life, because I should believe that the time you were not an athlete, you would let things slide, like okay, this one it's fine. But now you can face some of your problems, like face them head on.
Exactly. I remember before I start running, I think I've said it in the previous show, to say there's this other guy by the name of Noah Ntuli. Noah is the one who normally used to come to me and say, hey, daughter, let's go to the gym. I say, Mr. Ntuli, what for? I don't see the need for a gym. I think, daughter, let's go to the gym. I want to thank that guy, because without him pushing me coming here,
you wouldn't have done Comrade Marathon.
I would have done Comrade Marathon. And then Mr. Noah came to see me, to congratulate me.
After the Comrades?
After the Comrade, I was so happy to see Mr. Noah come to see me. And he was riding a bike from Soshanguve to Mamelodi.
Yeah.
As you know him,
Yeah.
Hey, you need Baba. Now I want to start to be on the bike now.
You
At least to
cycling.
do cycling, both running and cycling. Yeah. He says, no, you are more than welcome.
Yeah.
More than welcome to if you want to start cycling.
Big ups to Mr. Noah. So
yeah,
at least he has touched a Comrade marathon medal, at least,
Yeah.
So these things, you don't get them for free.
Eish, Baba.
You need to.
But what I want to tell the people out there is anything is doable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like myself, I didn't know that at some stage I'll run Comrade marathon.
Yeah.
It was a monster thing. I was saying, me going to run there at the end of the day in front of a camera, seeing people crawling. Some of them they are taken to hospital. No, it's not for me.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you guys, that thing is doable. Proper training, you can finish Comrade marathon. You can.
Yeah. No. So that goes to anything in life.
That goes anything in life. It's doable, Comrade. Comrade is doable. Yeah.
So whatever problem someone is facing, whatever obstacles, whatever hurdles you need to jump, if you practice, if you dedicate yourself, if you push yourself to do it, I'm sure it can be done.
It's done.
It can be done.
Absolutely, yes. Yes.
No, I'm happy for you, Mr. Brian. I'm happy. And again, I want to go back to Sherwood.
To the Sherwood story.
Sherwood story. Because the Sherwood story, there was a guy from Pretoria North. I saw him there and I'm like, who's this guy? And then I'm like, okay, let me put also this guy because he was actually going with you so like this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You guys ran together from Sherwood, I think. Because Sherwood, everything now stopped. The time. What's happening? We're not making... Just tell me what... Because Sherwood, I believe, is the last cut off, if I'm not mistaken. Was the last...
Yeah, after Pine Towns, then it's Sherwood. Then you approach the last cut off, yeah.
What happened in Sherwood?
No, Sherwood, honestly speaking, I really don't know what happened. So you say there was just this disappearing moment.
Yeah, your tracker was standing still, and I'm like, where is Brian? Brian must start moving now.
Not moving?
Brian is not moving. And I'm like, okay, I'm sure he's fetching water or he's drinking or maybe he's walking.
Yeah.
That tracker thing, it's not moving.
But it was like for an hour, 2 hours? Or
maybe for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Is it?
Yeah, and then from there then you started moving.
Okay, I wonder what happened then.
And then actually the guy you were running with from Pretoria North, he started moving first. Okay. And then you were behind the guy.
Now I was behind the guy.
Now you're behind the guy. The guy, I think, was running 7 and you were running about 8, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
But you were behind the guy.
Okay.
Like, okay. No, we're not making it. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it.
When you started to panic.
Yeah, the estimated time, I'm like, no, we're not. At least give me an hour.
Yeah.
If anything happens, give me an hour, give me an hour. Yes. So the time actually dropped to 30 minutes. I'm like, no. He's not going to make it. 30 minutes.
Yeah.
No, he's not going to make it. Like, okay, I stopped panicking then. You started running, you started moving. And then I was like, okay, 27. Okay, we're pushing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go again. After that, I was like, okay. But surprisingly, you actually crossed the finishing line first.
Before that guy. Maybe because of the excitement, to see now I'm almost closer to the finishing line. The stadium is there. So I started to be more excited. Like, what? Let me pull up my socks now. Now I see the finishing. Maybe it's because of that, yeah.
Here's the finishing line because you would see, I don't know whether it's about 5Ks, then you see that now I'm going to a finishing line or it's 2Ks before.
Yeah.
What was happening?
No, 5 to 6Ks towards the finishing. I met one of my teammates and the guy was struggling, I said to him, you know what, we are almost 5Ks to finish, man.
Yeah.
Whatever it's bothering you, Pegezela baba, let's go. Let me carry you.
Yeah.
Then I have to run. Yeah,
I saw that. Yeah, I saw that.
So the guy was saying, no, man, I want to give up. You cannot give up 5Ks, baba. Let's go.
Yeah.
Then that's when we pushed. we were doing now pull factor.
Yeah.
Like run from here to there, then let's walk, Baba. We run again from here to there, let's walk, until we get into the stadium.
Yeah.
Then that guy was thanking me to say, yo, Baba, if it wasn't you, I'll bring your puller out, you know. Yeah. But otherwise, it was nice running Comrade, honestly speaking.
So if they say, let's go run Comrade next week,
no,
go.
Not next week, not next week, Baba. I still have to recover fully, not next week. But I see the table is out.
Yeah.
Yeah, to go and run to qualify for next year, 2024.
Oh, already?
Already. Yeah. But I'm not in a rush. I'm still going to take my time, do my things as I go, run the 21s, get fitness again, then go to the 42s. But my main aim is to do 2 Ocean. Then after 2 Ocean, before I do 2 Ocean, I want to qualify for Comrade, which means one of the 42 marathons that are coming in Nelspruit. Nelspruit is good for me. Don't know for others, but for me it's working.
Yeah.
I think that's when I'll do more often going to qualify there for the Comrade. At Nelspruit. Yeah.
You got your medal?
Yes.
1 box ticked?
1 box ticked, pa.
Yeah.
And at 2024 it will be back to back. They call it back to back. They gave you 2 medals. The other one is for saying if you came back to run again, not skipping any year in between.
Yeah.
So, and the other one was for the current year that you are participating. So they gave you 2 medals at the same time. So
tell me the mistake that you did, or that you think maybe this it was my mistake going to run a Comrade, or while running the Comrade.
I think, to be honest, I like to run on an empty stomach. Like morning before we went to the starting, my colleague, they ate. The one that I was sharing the room with, he had a full plate of what we call jungle oat. Yeah. And then after then, I was surprised. Also 2 slices, butter and peanut butter. I said, not for me.
Yeah.
He says, Baba, this is Comrade. You need to have something. I said, Baba, I normally run, I'm a 42, I'm a 21 on an empty stomach.
Exactly.
So what will make the difference on this one? Let me do my thing, and then I'll regret when I get there.
Sure.
Then I went there without eating anything, Baba. That's how I am. I don't know. Can you imagine? I ran Comrade on an empty stomach. I was only grabbing whatever they gave us, the orange piece, the piece of potato, energy drinks along the way, the Coca-Cola, whatever they gave us. Those are the supplements that I was eating along the way.
Yeah.
But eating, like having a plate or whatever,
no.
Oh, no.
So you say that was your mistake?
I think that was my mistake. But now, because they say without eating, you won't get more energy.
Exactly.
So at least food gives you more energy to perform better.
Yeah.
So I was avoiding going to the toilet because I normally see people queuing, People are queuing. While we are running, we pass them queuing to get into the toilet. So what caused that? Eating.
Eating, exactly.
So I was avoiding that. Yeah.
When you start running, the metabolism also works over time.
Exactly. I was avoiding that. If I eat, then it will cause me to go to the loo.
Yeah.
Which is I'm avoiding that. Because going to the loo, standing on the queue, time it's going. It won't stop. It's going.
So tell me something. What are you going to do better the next Comrade? Do you have a plan?
My plan is to
finish again.
To finish, but at a better time this time. At least to get the bronze medal.
Okay.
Yeah, and that one it should be sub 10. Which is sub 10, it was my goal for this starting as a novice.
Okay.
But now due to whatever, the nail coming out. So I couldn't do sub 10. But I am also saying to myself, sub 10 is doable. It is doable, believe me. So now that this time it will be at an up run. So the more experienced one, they say, up run is better than down. I say, why? They say to me, because of at the starting point, Devon, going to Pietermaritzburg, you start with the hill. And starting with the hill, you still have more energy because you start with the hill.
Exactly.
Then getting closer to the finishing line is now going down.
It's I see. Yeah, I can see Utimen naye is here. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe khona into afuna ukuyibuza.
No, Timen is also under pressure to come and join. He's the one also introduced me, He's the one also introduced me to the gym, this guy. Yeah.
I'm sure next time he will join us with Timen. Yeah, Mr. Brian, man, thank you very much. You've done a lot. You've worked very hard, and I applaud you for that. You never saw this as more of a struggle, but then you did enjoy it.
Yeah.
And then I was not sure that you were going to finish it. To be honest, however, I mean, with support, I say we're human beings, we draw energies from each other. So you went there and then you conquered the Comrade Marathon. I'm happy for you, man.
Oh, correctly, Baba. So, without you guys, honestly speaking, no. Without you guys, no. Otherwise, I want to thank you, the entire people who supported me, who followed me to check my status. I was even surprised. My manager also followed me. There were WhatsApp here in the office, customer service people, they were also chatting to each other. Letitia, Noktula, Busi, everybody there was following me.
Shout out. Carol, Carol,
Jacobs, Sureki, yes, was also following me. Hey, I know, I really want to thank you all you guys.
Yeah, we're behind you, Mr. Brian. No worries. Who are we if we're not going to support each other? I'm happy for you.
Yeah, bonga mina baba.
So before Sizoivala, Bantabahle, please don't forget to subscribe. This is a podcast with Slim. Subscribe, share, and you can also follow me on Instagram as Slim So Deep. Trava, you can follow him as Brian Manaiwa.
Brian Manaiwa.
Yes, follow him as well, and then let's interact, and then let's see how we can support each other, and and healthy bodies and healthy mind.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's keep on pushing. You're not your last word, but then you're in closing. What do you want to say to people, especially those who are sitting back and watching the others who are not getting their hands and their feet dirty?
Okay, what I want to say to the people out there, it's anything is doable. It's better to start now. If maybe your dream is to run Comrade, you are more than welcome. We can do it together. We can start 5 baby steps, 5Ks, 2K. The more the strength. So 10K, we enter the race. Most important things that will motivate you is to enter a race. Even if you run 10Ks, even if you do 5Ks, at the end of the day, you'll end up doing 21, you'll end up doing 42, you'll end up doing 50. Finally, you see yourself running Comrade Marathon.
So when is the 2 Ocean? Are we coming back here with the 2 Ocean?
Another pressure.
Are we coming back to talk about 2 Ocean?
No, definitely. The next race is 2 Ocean. The next bigger marathon is 2 Ocean. I'll come back with a medal for 2 Ocean. Are we gonna do it before or after?
Whichever one. The one that you feel comfortable. I'm ordered by you.
Yeah.
The community orders me and say,
I wish you can come with me, Sbu. Let's go and participate. For
50K.
You can do it. Baba.
When is it?
You can do it. Is it around May?
Next year?
Yeah, May, June. No. I'm not so sure about the date.
Yeah.
This is 2023.
2023, yes.
Yeah, I'm not so sure, but I think it's next year, early next year, May, around May. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
May. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see when. Bantabahle, you can also check for yourself when is the Comrade, not the Comrade, the 2 Oceans.
The 2 Oceans.
I'm sure I'll take that challenge. But then let's see, 50 kilometers, it's doable.
Yeah, it's 56.
It's doable.
56. It's doable.
It's doable.
Doable.
If you can do it, I can do it.
Yeah.
But then, Bantabahle says so Lento. Mr. Brian, I want to see more medals.
No, I promise you will.
Nah.
Yeah, you will see. You will see them coming.
Yeah.
The only medals that I would like to display, I'm a 42K, I'm a 21K. Ukujima, wow. It's just to exercise. It's just to exercise.
Oh, 21 it's for exercising.
No, we are exercising there, yeah. Otherwise, the more challenging, let it be 42, 50 upward, yeah.
Okay. No, nizwele bantu abahle uStar Brian bengihleli naye sengizoyivala nje lento ngithi kini Vini vele Vicky I came, I saw and I conquered. uStar Brian did exactly that. He came, he saw and then he conquered. I'm sure now Lapeka you can do the very same thing. You can conquer everything. We know we're living in tough times, however, we can conquer it. Ngicela ukuyivala lento lena. Siyabonga bantu abahle. This is Podcast with Slim. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Cheers.